Hello, this is Ashi from Crafting with Ashi, and welcome to part 2 of this haul video. If you haven't seen part 1, then I've linked it below, so please jump on and have a look. This part is going to show you all the ribbons, embellishments, papers, etc. that I've got from the new autumn-winter Stampin' Up! Catalogue that starts on the 4th of August. If you haven't got a copy of the catalogue and you want one, then please just visit my website and click on the Contact Me button, and I'll get one out to you as soon as possible. This is the new catalogue. Isn't it lovely? So as I said, if you want a copy, then I've got plenty, so please do ask for one. So let's get started without much ado. Okay, so let's get started with some ribbons. Ribbons, as if I don't have enough already. I've got some striped here Mossy Meadow ribbon. Then I've got here some real red braided linen trim, and then I've got here some real red again sheer ribbon, you can see. Okay, and then I've got this ribbon combo pack, and this is all the trimmings combo pack, and this is Old Olive and Poppy Parade. You can see there the two you get. Okay, so that's my new ribbons. And then I've got some embellishments here. These are the Playful Pet trinkets. These are actually from the main catalogue. I wasn't able to get them when I ordered last time, but I was now. You can see you get these little bones and hearts. There, you can see. Okay. And what else have we got here? These are the glitter star ornaments. Aren't they cute? And then these are the beaded pearls. So you have these. Look at that. Isn't that lovely? So you have all of those in there. Okay. And then I have some enamel dots. These, well, they call them, yeah, all the trimmings embellishments, but they're little enamel dots. Those ones. And then there's some adhesive backed snowflakes sequins. Okay, those there. Okay, so that's those. Then I have some new Memory and More cards, and this is Wonder of the Season. I'm going to show these to you now quickly. You've got this 3x4, and you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of each. So you get that one, and they're all double-sided, obviously. So let's go through them quickly. You've got that, Holiday Cheer, and you've got your journaling spot there. You've got Christmas tree here. You've got May You Never Be Too Grown Up to Search the Skies on Christmas Eve. Yeah, I agree with that. And then you've got that, Sending Wishes from the North Pole, and you've got that. So something like that, Sending Wishes from the North Pole, on the back of a card, you know, with a card base, that's your card made. So it's really, they're really useful. Then you've got some sticker sheets here. So you've got that one, you've got 2 of those, and then 2 of those with the numbers. So you can make your advent calendar with them. And then you've got here your 6x4 cards. Now at the back of it you get this really nice piece of chipboard. Look at that, really nice and hard. So don't waste that. You can definitely repurpose that for a mini album or something. So let's have a look at these cards. You've got that. What does that say? Wishing you wonder and joy. You've got the bells. Celebrate the season. Some holly, and here you've got some more stickers. So you've got those, and then you've got here some with all this lovely gold foiling, wishing you a wonderful Christmas season. Isn't that beautiful? You could just use these 2 of these. Use these definitely as just on your cards. Santa's greetings. You've got the feathers. Merry Christmas. Oh, this is pretty. You could all cut this actually into strips if you wanted to, and use that, you know, on your cards as accent pieces. So a lovely set all in all, I think. So let's set that aside. Now, as you might have heard me harping on more than once, Snail, our adhesive called Snail, our tape runner, retired at the end of May, beginning of June. When I did my June order of the annual catalogue, I wasn't able to order any because they weren't in yet, but they are now, and I did order. So I just want to show them to you. I haven't yet, you know, used them yet, so I can't say anything about them, but I will do a video about them. They're called Stamp and Seal. So you've got the Stamp and Seal, and then you've got your refill, obviously. And then you've got here your Stampin' Seal Plus. So this is like what we used to have called Fast Fuse. So this is exactly the same as Seal or Snell, but just with a much stronger adhesive. So you've got that, and then of course you've got the refill for that as well. So when I'll do a video on those showing you how they work out. So the only thing I think I've got left to show you is our papers, our gloriously lovely papers. So let's show you these. These are the plaid papers, and what are they called? Plaid tidings. I'll show you them here quickly. You can see they are wonderful. There you can see all of them. Absolutely lovely. And then I'll turn these over and you can see that side, and then those as well. So those are called, as I said, the plaid tidings paper. So let's put that there. Then I've got here, this is, what's this called? 'Tis the Season. Okay, we can get rid of that. And here you've got, you can see these patterns. And you've got 4 of each pattern, same as the other set as well. And you can see here the ones you get. And then we're back to the start again. So those are they. So that's 'Tis the Season. Then I've got some paper here. Let me bring in the next lot of paper. It's the, here it is, what's it called? Trimming the Town. Okay, and you have that side, and then that side, and then you've got the beautiful blue, and you've got the people together, the stripes and the trees. I love this, the dots, the white dots, and you've got the little wreath here. And then this one I wanted to show you, because if you look, you can see it has all sorts of sayings like Happy Christmas, you know, have a merry little Christmas, you know, hearts come home. So you can actually cut all of these out if you want to use the sentiments on your cards. And then we have the buildings and some blue stripes. So those are that set of paper. Then we have this poinsettia paper here. I'll just quickly show you. I love this one here. And then I like here the ivy as well. The holly rather, I should say. So there we go. And then we have one of my favourites, this new snowflake paper. Look at the colour, isn't it lovely? Just gorgeous. Look at this, really, really pretty. I think these will be lovely for cards or for scrapbook pages or mini albums. I mean, look at that for a scrapbook page about winter. Oh, absolutely beautiful. So you have those. And then we have this set here, which is called, let me get it out if I can find the end. Oh, seems to go on forever. This is called the Heartwarming Hugs. Okay. And you have again 2 of each sheet. So I love the stripe, it's lovely. And then nice little stripe and the dots. This is really one of my favourites. It's just so pretty, and to be honest you could use it any time of the year, not just for Christmas. So we have those, and then we have some of our speciality paper, and this is it. And what's it called? Wonder of the Season. And this is got foiling on every sheet. So here you've got the gold foiling, then you've got the book page here, and you've got red foiling here, and you've got red again. I like the script here, the gold. So you've got that. So as I said, that was called something or other, Wonder of the Season. And then the last thing I have to show you is we have some new foil sheets, and it's a duo pack, and you've got to look at that. Hello, the red and the green, isn't that just lovely jubbly? So there you go. So we put that aside before I knock everything over. That is everything in my haul video. Aren't I a lucky girl for getting all of those? I'm so excited to play with it. I want to share my projects with you, and I really hope that you are inspired and enjoy watching these videos. So, as I said, this is the new catalogue. If you want a copy, then just click onto my website, and the link is below in the description box. Click on the contact me button and I will send one out to you by mail. Don't worry, it's not going by snail or pigeon, it'll come by Royal Mail. Anyway, enough of my stupid jokes. Thank you so much for watching the video. I really hope you enjoyed all these new goodies that I've got. I can't wait to put them away and play with them and just enjoy being in my craft room. So if you want any information or anything, the link to my website is below. So thank you once again. As I said, sorry, before I forget, if you want to see part 1, then just it'll be linked below as well in the cards and at the end of this video. So click on that to watch. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you like what I do. And until next time, enjoy being creative. Bye!